Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by enabling mobile data and connecting the phone to the laptop with a quality USB cable. Once connected, swipe down and choose the USB connection type, then enable USB tethering in settings under Network and Internet. Make sure the phone remains unlocked and the screen stays on while the laptop detects the new interface. You do this now to let the laptop enumerate the device and request network access. It avoids delays and ensures the tethered interface appears in your system network list. Once tethering is on, the laptop should show a new USB network adapter. If it does not, install the phone vendor or generic RNDIS drivers. On Windows, this may be automatic. On Mac, use built-in support. On Linux, load USPNet or RNDIS host. After detection, open your network settings to confirm link status and IP addressing. You usually leave it on DHCP so the phone assigns an IP, but assign a static IP only if your workflow requires a fixed address. Make sure firewalls permit outbound traffic. Now verify connectivity by loading a web page or pinging 88888. Once browsing works, you are done. Make sure to disable USB tethering when finished to conserve the phone battery and avoid unexpected mobile data usage. If you lose connection, first toggle USB tethering off and on, then reconnect the cable. If that fails, reboot both devices and reinstall the correct RNDIS or vendor drivers on the laptop. This quick troubleshooting step resolves most recognition and driver issues without complex changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.